Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3 Set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage the reboot schedule on your TP-LINK Deco X50. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to More, and here in the TP-LINK Deco app, we need to scroll all the way down until we see the system. Now here in the system, we want to go over and click on Reboot Schedule. And here we can enable it. So here we can set a repeat for, let's say, every week or every day. And here we can also change it to the day that we want it to happen. Here we can change the reboot time just like that. As you guys can see, let's say 1 AM. Here we can click save and it will save automatically. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.